The cosmos, in its infinite expanse, has always beckoned us to explore, to understand, to unravel its mysteries. For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, dreaming of what lies beyond, seeking answers to questions as old as time itself. Our curiosity has driven us to build telescopes, launch satellites, and even send humans to the moon. Yet, as we peer deeper into the universe, we realize that some of the most profound mysteries lie not in the stars, but within ourselves. Today, we stand at the cusp of a new era of exploration, not of distant galaxies, but of the very fabric of intelligence itself. This new frontier is not marked by physical boundaries, but by the limits of our imagination and the capabilities of our technology. In the heart of our cities, amidst the hum of servers and the glow of screens, a revolution is taking place. A revolution that promises to redefine what it means to be intelligent, to be human. Artificial intelligence, once the realm of science fiction, has rapidly become a tangible reality, poised to reshape our world in profound ways. Machines that can learn, adapt, and even create are no longer a distant dream, but a present-day reality. These intelligent systems are being integrated into every aspect of our lives, from the way we work to the way we interact with the world around us. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is already making inroads into our lives. Imagine a world where cars drive themselves, reducing accidents and freeing up time for passengers, or a healthcare system where AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases with unprecedented accuracy, leading to better outcomes for patients. These are not just futuristic fantasies, but real-world applications that are being developed and deployed today. But the journey has just begun. We are only scratching the surface of what AI can achieve. The road ahead is filled with challenges and opportunities, with ethical dilemmas and technological hurdles. Yet, it is also a road filled with promise, with the potential to unlock new levels of understanding and innovation. The true potential of AI, like the universe itself, remains largely unexplored, a vast, uncharted territory ripe with possibilities. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, we must do so with a sense of responsibility and wonder, ever mindful of the impact our creations will have on the world and the generations to come. The dawn of this new era in intelligence is upon us, and it is up to us to shape it wisely. Amidst this technological revolution, a new player has emerged from the East, a digital oracle poised to redefine the boundaries of AI. Its name is DeepSeek, a creation of Chinese ingenuity, and it is already sending ripples across the global tech landscape. Developed by a consortium of leading Chinese tech giants, DeepSeek is not just another AI assistant. It is an embodiment of China's ambition to lead the world in the AI revolution, a testament to the country's technological prowess and its unwavering commitment to innovation. What sets DeepSeek apart is not just its processing power or its vast datasets, though it possesses both in abundance. Its true power lies in its ability to learn, to adapt, and to evolve at an unprecedented rate. DeepSeek can analyze complex patterns, understand natural language with remarkable nuance, and even generate creative content that rivals human ingenuity. It is, in essence, a digital mind that is constantly learning and growing, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. The emergence of DeepSeek has not gone unnoticed in the West. Tech giants like Google and OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, are closely watching this new rival, recognizing the potential threat it poses to their dominance. While ChatGPT has garnered significant attention for its ability to generate human-like text, and Google's AI continues to power countless applications, DeepSeek represents a leap forward in AI capabilities. Its ability to process information, learn from data, and generate creative solutions surpasses anything we have seen before. Section 5. A universe of possibilities. DeepSeek's impact. The implications of DeepSeek's emergence are far-reaching, extending far beyond the realm of technology. Its impact will be felt in every facet of our lives, from healthcare and education to finance and entertainment. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed with unparalleled accuracy, where personalized learning experiences cater to every student's unique needs, where financial markets operate with greater efficiency and transparency. This is the promise of DeepSeek, a promise of a future shaped by the power of artificial intelligence. Section 6. Charting the uncharted DeepSeek's future trajectory. The development of DeepSeek is still in its early stages, much like the early days of the Internet. Its full potential remains to be unlocked, its capabilities yet to be fully explored. As DeepSeek continues to learn and evolve, it will undoubtedly lead to breakthroughs that we can only begin to imagine. New industries will emerge, existing ones will be transformed, and the very nature of work and leisure will be redefined. Section 7. Beyond the Horizon. AI's Promise and Peril. The rise of AI, exemplified by DeepSeek, is not without its challenges. Concerns about job displacement, algorithmic bias, and the ethical implications of increasingly powerful AI are legitimate and require careful consideration. As machines become more capable, they can perform tasks that were once the sole domain of humans. This shift can lead to significant changes in the job market, potentially displacing workers and creating economic instability. Algorithmic bias is another critical issue. AI systems learn from data, and if that data is biased, the AI can perpetuate and even amplify those biases. This can lead to unfair treatment of individuals or groups, raising serious ethical concerns. Moreover, the ethical implications of AI extend beyond bias. There are questions about privacy, surveillance, and the potential misuse of AI in ways that could harm society. As we venture further into the uncharted territory of artificial intelligence, we must proceed with caution, guided by a deep understanding of both the immense promise and the potential perils that lie ahead. The development of AI offers incredible opportunities for innovation and progress, but it also requires us to be vigilant and responsible in how we manage and deploy these technologies. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we will shape through our choices and actions. By fostering a culture of ethical AI development, promoting transparency, and ensuring that diverse voices are included in the conversation, we can work towards a future where AI benefits all of humanity. The decisions we make today will have lasting impacts on the world of tomorrow. It is up to us to navigate this complex landscape with wisdom and foresight. By embracing the promise of AI while being mindful of its perils, we can create a future that is both innovative and equitable, ensuring that the benefits of AI are shared by all. Section 8. The Moral Imperative. Navigating AI's Ethical Landscape. The development and deployment of AI, especially systems as powerful as DeepSeek, must be guided by a strong ethical framework. We must ensure that AI is used for the betterment of humanity, not for its detriment. This requires a global conversation, a coming together of minds from diverse backgrounds to establish clear guidelines and principles for the ethical development and use of AI. The future of our species may very well depend on our ability to navigate this ethical landscape with wisdom and foresight. Section 9. A Tapestry of Intelligence, Weaving a Future with AI. We stand at a pivotal moment in human history, a moment where the boundaries between human and artificial intelligence are becoming increasingly blurred. This convergence is not just a technological evolution, but a profound shift in how we perceive intelligence itself. The collaboration between humans and AI is opening doors to possibilities that were once the realm of science fiction. The emergence of DeepSeek and its ilk is a testament to our boundless capacity for innovation, our relentless pursuit of knowledge and understanding. These advanced systems are not merely tools, they are partners in our quest to decode the complexities of the universe. They help us sift through vast amounts of data, uncovering patterns and insights that would be impossible for a human to discern alone. As we continue to explore the vast potential of AI, let us do so with a sense of wonder, a spirit of collaboration, and an unwavering commitment to using this powerful technology for the greater good. The synergy between human creativity and machine precision can lead to groundbreaking innovations. Imagine a world where AI helps us solve climate change, find cures for diseases, and even explore distant planets. The future of intelligence is not about replacing human intelligence, but about augmenting it, about creating a future where humans and AI work together to solve our greatest challenges and unlock a future filled with infinite possibilities. This partnership can lead to a more equitable and prosperous world, where technology serves as an enabler for human potential. As we weave this new tapestry of intelligence, let us ensure that it is one of inclusivity, ethics, and shared progress.